Yeah, hello, welcome once again. So today we're going to continue from our previous class, which is the HTML. So in today's class, we are going to be working on HTML as well, but we are going to do some things we didn't do in the last class. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a link. A link is a tag that enables us to navigate from one page to another. So I'm going to be showing us how to create a link and also how to create an image tag in order to display an image object or in order to display image on our web page. So if you are opening this video for the next time, if you're opening this video for the first time, meaning that probably you don't have your WAMP server running, please run your WAMP server. Open your browser, type localhost slash first head. So this is where we were. So now I'm going to show us how to navigate to another page. But first, let me create another page. Go to the source file, right click on it, click new, click PHP file. Let's give this one about. Press finish. So this about page is blank. So I'm going to start my HTML inside it. Identifying that this is HTML5 is what this means. The HTML. By now, I believe that everybody supposed to have known how to create a HTML first codes. So do what I'm doing. So let's run this page to look at it first, to see it first. Welcome to About Us page. So I'm going to close it so that we'll be on this page. Going to my net bin, I'm going to click on my index page so that I will create a link that will link me to About Us page. So I'm going to be creating it on top here after welcome information or welcome message. I'm creating a div for it. So how to create a link? You use a tag called anchor. Anchor, it starts with A. It starts with A. close this. So inside the first A, which is the starting tag of it, you press spacebar to give space, then type hash ref, which means a link. That is pass in the address or the page where you want this link to take you to. Press equal to, put double quote, type about the php. Then in between the A tags, type the text that you want to be seen. I'm going to type about. So if we refresh, you see it here, about. So when you click on it now, it takes us to what about us page. Let's go back. So inside this div, I want to create another link. This link will be, it will have a text called homepage, like this. But I want, whenever I click on this homepage, I should return to this index page where I am. So in this href that holds the page where we want to go, I'm going to type my index.php. Whenever you are done, be mindful. See this here, this index.php is too thick. The darkness of it is too thick. So because we didn't save it, so press Ctrl S. You see the black or the write up is now lighter, meaning that you've saved it. So go to your browser, reload it. You see you'll be having home and the home page and about. You can just use dash just to space them a bit for now. So this is how you can have your pages. So let's refresh again. If you click on home now, you will remain in this page. You see the path here. We just click on it. See the path. Localhost first head slash index. Your index is your home page. So if you click on about, it will take you to about page. Let me change this text to about us. I want to even in this about us, I want to create a link that will take me back to my home page. I don't want to be using this back arrow. I don't want to be clicking it. I want to have a link that when I click here, it will take me back to my home page. So under this about, I can create a link A, and I close, and I'll say go back. So inside this A, I'm going to put my href equals index. So please be mindful, type it exactly the way I'm typing it to avoid error. So if I to refresh the about, you see the link here. If I click it now, it will take me back to the index page. So this is how you do what? This is how you create a link. Note, see the page that we're working on. See the the color it has, which shows that we're working on it. It has a light orange color top. So if you want to go to another page to code index, you go on top of this index, tap on it, you'll be inside this place. So now that we have known how to create a link, let me show you guys how to create an image. or to display an image in a browser. How do we do it? First of all, go to your source file, create a folder, right click, new, create a folder, give it a name, images, press finish. So you are going to have a images folder inside your source files. So let's go to my computer and pick any picture of my choice. I'm going to minimize. Be mindful, I didn't close. I use this first minus on top here to minimize. It will keep my edit bin down here. So I'm going to open this PC. Here I will see my pictures. I tap on it. Let me maximize it. I can open sample picture. You can pick any picture of your choice. I'm going to pick this penguin. I'm going to right click on this penguin, copy it, minimize, open my NetBeans. On top of this images folder, right click on it, paste that picture. So see my penguin here. So now I have to ask myself, where do I want to put it? Let me check I want to put it at this end of this paragraph. See this paragraph. This a paragraph. I want to put it at the bottom of it. So you go inside your index page, index.php, scroll down, see where this is a paragraph is. I'm going to create another div down here for image. So image has a tag called img. Img. This is how you create a image that will display on the browser. Img space sort src equal to, come to the font here, print for press front slash and greater than. So this is how you will create an image. So this thing, the main of this is this code. Now what it will do is img will tell the browser that you want to create an image. Xrc means source, that is where the image is. So inside this quote, equals and quote, in the middle of the quote, pass in the image. How do you pass it? You start the folder name. Our folder that holds our images is called images. Select it, type the name of the image, penguin p. Once you type the p, the advantage of using NetBeans help us to autocomplete our code. Immediately I type p, it's showing me the penguin. So what you will do is tap enter. So that we do. You press Ctrl S to save. Open your browser and refresh. You see, we have our penguin here. Hmm? We have our penguin, but it's too big. I have to do what? Reduce it. How do I reduce it? At the end of this quote that holds the image, press spacebar to give space. You can type width, width. Let's give it. Let's say let it has 100. Then height. Let it has 100. Then save. Ctrl S. Open your browser and refresh. So you can see we have adjusted the size of that image to 100. So this is how you display an image in a HTML page or in your web page. So in this tutorial, we could be able to create a link that will take us to another page and come back, and we can be able to do what? Create what? Create an image or display an image in a browser. So we're going to be stopping here. In the next class, I will show you guys how to do other things. Good luck.